Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very decent and elegant collection of hand embroidered kurtis, hand embroidered kameezes, hand embroidered shirts to give your Eid outfits or any type of casual, formal party wear a very creative and decent look. But before going further, I have a simple request guys, just please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, keep supporting us. Now let's move back towards our video. Guys, for making these dresses more formal, more creative, more party wear, you can use the fabric like chiffon, georgette chiffon, crinkle chiffon, silk, raw silk and organza. Even you can also embroider these patterns onto the soft net or khadi net as well. So if you want to give the touch of everyday casual simple comfy dresses, then you must use weather based fabric. That could be lawn, linen, cotton, organic blended stuff. So only 2 to 3 stuffs are required as per the weather conditions. And which type of embroidery material is required to make these patterns, to embroider these patterns? Guys, the answer to this is very easy. You just require an embroidery thread, embroidery frame and an embroidery needle. Guys, you can also make your dresses very beautiful and creative and give a touch of 3D by using tussle embroidery. When you can use French knots to make the fill-ups like floral patterns, you can use twisted knots, you can use different type of Brazilian embroidery patterns and different color combinations of bases like light color, dark color base, white, different shades of light colors, black and different shades of medium color family background like brighter shades, pink, shocking pink, maroon, that could be made to give the dresses more formal and creative and funky look. I hope that you have liked and enjoyed today's ideas. If you really like, then please don't forget to subscribe and please like. Thank you so much.